And today I'm going to be reading Dotcom secrets. Like and subscribe. Page number 1, the free workshop page. This page looks just like a simple squeeze page that I learned about during the lead funnel section, but the lead magnet is the actual training workshop. They are registering to get access to the live training. At the bottom, I like showing screenshots of the videos to help them understand that they are registering for a series of videos that will help them to get a specific result. And here's the diagram. It says, the first page of your product launch funnel gives someone your lead magnet, a free workshop, when they register for the training. Funnel scripts. We use the curiosity-based headline script from Secret 18, as well as the who, what, why, how script from Secret 19 to get them excited for the training they're about to register for. So basically, the first page is the free workshop page, and it's basically a squeeze page, and the lead magnet is like the actual webinar, basically. So that is the first page. You can just rewatch the video if you don't understand. It'd be a little, I don't know. And it's just the free workshop, basically. And that's to bring them in, and that's like the first page. So, The Great Vegetable Escape is a book written by me. It's about these vegetables and how they go on an adventure and escape being eaten. This book, along with some others in the background, like Kopi Soup and Apartment Prescription, are on Amazon, so you can buy them there if you're interested. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Bye.